Are you searching for all natural alternatives to medications? A simple blend of lemon juice and olive oil might surprise you. This mixture can alleviate symptoms and prevent complications, enhancing your well-being in various ways. Let's explore the benefits. Lemon juice and olive oil detoxify the body, cleansing harmful toxins and supporting liver and gallbladder health. Olive oil acts as a natural laxative, while lemon juice reduces swelling, easing digestive issues and abdominal stress. This blend strengthens nails, cleanses skin, and reduces dandruff, benefiting hair, skin, and nails. Regular consumption lowers bad cholesterol, boosts good cholesterol, and promotes joint health for smooth movement. Olive oil improves blood circulation and prevents clots, even reducing the appearance of varicose veins. While not a direct fat burner, it aids digestion, boosts metabolism, and helps reduce abdominal fat. Consuming this mixture stabilizes blood pressure and supports a regular heart rate, thanks to its essential minerals. For a natural remedy, mix 1/2 tablespoon olive oil with 1/2 tablespoon lemon juice and consume before breakfast. Try it and share your experiences. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.